Welcome. In this video, I will be reviewing a few stocks that were asked by our members in our InfoA live session. If you'd like to take part in our InfoA live session, you can join our group by sending a WhatsApp message to the number that's displayed on your screen right now, where we have a lot of discussions on stocks and the stock market in general. So going to the first stock of today, that is CESE. The first stock is CESE. CESE is very poor on its rank. Both the ranks are at the bottom. So, not a fundamentally good stock and not a stock that has a lot of investor attraction too. While on the charts, CESE has a bullish pattern. It has opened into a new bullish trend after a very long sideways range, and the current bullish trend is strong. This strength has a potential to take the stock up once again. It has a buying potential above 787.5 for a target at 873. So when the price crosses 787.5, it should also have a volume above 6.65 lakh shares to confirm the breakout entry. So, one good buying opportunity in CESE for this week. The next stock is BPCL. BPCL was one of the recent qualifiers on the earnings rank, while its price rank has been at the bottom. It is not part of the strong oil stocks group at the present. Oil sector has a potential for an upside in the next few weeks, and BPCL is not among those leaders that are going up. Between the oil sector index and the stock chart of BPCL, there is a small lag in BPCL. As the stock is going up, when price crosses 493, look for volume support. If it lags volume, like what it is doing right now, it will be a good option to take full exit. This way, one can book maximum profits and move into another good stock. For someone looking to buy now, though the stock is in buy levels, it is not a good choice as the upside is pretty limited. Will it cross an all-time high? With the strength the stock has been adding as the price is moving up, it has potential to have a new high. When the price moves above 493, if it gets volume support, it can go up further too. The next stock is Trent. Trent is a stock from the retail sector and a stock that is also in top rank. Earnings for Trent turned to be among the best in the market since May of 21, and post that its price has also been consistently going up. Though the stock qualified in earnings rank and has been going up, price rank has not yet caught up. This is because of the slow upward movement on its stock price. If holding a position, can continue to hold as Trent has potential to continue going up, while at a slower pace. If planning to buy, our choice would be to look into some aggressive stocks, and in a bull market, there are a lot of fast running stocks that are there. A stock from the rating, analysis and research company CRISIL is the next stock. On ranking, CRISIL has not been doing great. A look at the rankings, earnings rank is at 27, which means about 73% of the companies in the market are having better profit growth than CRISIL presently. It is not an attractive stock. On the price rank, the stock is at 49. CRISIL has had a good run up on its stock price recently, and this rally is what has taken its price rank up. Yet, the price rank is not at the top. Coming to the charts, after a tight consolidation from end of 2020, CRISIL opened to a new bullish trend in June 2021. Now, after taking a little rest, it has begun its next journey. CRISIL had a good buying opportunity when its price crossed 2,750, while even now it is not too late to enter as the price is close to the entry levels. For someone who's wanting to trade CRISIL, it is a good buy at current levels. It has potential to cross 3,330, which is a near 20% gain from the current price. The next stock is KPR Mills. It is a stock from the textile sector, and KPR Mills is one of the largest integrated apparel manufacturing companies in India. It was a top rank qualifier of both earnings and stock price. Now its rankings are 66 on the earnings side and 93 on the price side. The earnings has dropped, which is because of the other companies in the market having better profit growth than KPR Mill. Its price has been holding at the top, and when price ranks are above 80, those are the stocks that will have the highest profit potential to investors. The chart of KPR shows its stock price strength. A breakout that came in August of 2020 is continuing with good strength. As the price of the stock has currently got into its buy levels, it will be a good option to wait for some more strength build up and then take entry. KPR Mill has a potential for one more upside, which has the possibility to cross the 2100 mark, while need not hurry us to get in at the current prices. There is a possibility of getting a lower entry post its correction, which can help us get a little higher profit. If the September results come out good, this stock can get even more stronger and continue to keep going up. So, it will be worth the wait in KPR Mills for the next buying opportunity. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week.